Hey everybody, Steph here, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I just got an order from Tabitha, and I am really excited to get into it. I've gone ahead and sliced everything so it's quicker for opening, but I haven't looked at anything yet. So first up, I have some rainbow stripe bullseye confetti, and oh, it's pretty. I love for confetti stuff. That's going to make fantastic hearts. Look at that. I love for confettis and things like that. I make a bunch of hearts of my own out of them. Like these guys. I mean, you can't tell me these aren't fun hearts. And they're so simple to make with, here, I'll stick my hand in and look. They're so simple to make with the confetti that it's got a pattern built right in. So I swear by the confetti stuff. So I got 50 grams of the rainbow stripe because that's all she had. And this is multicolored. See if I can just slide it out of the bubble wrap. I can. Oh, it's pretty too. This is definitely a more sort of earth tone. See if I can spread it out a bit more. That's beautiful. That's going to make some really cool, like, earth tone sort of, I almost want to say office professional sort of hearts. Because I use all the confetti for that stuff. I will fuse some of it into dots, but I really like that. And this is 500 grams or half a kilogram of the Purple Dream, which if you've never gotten it before, I really, really recommend it because it's just gorgeous. I mean, sometimes you get chunks, but I mean, look at, aren't those colors going to be beautiful together? Especially, pieces go flying. With the pinstripe and all of that, it's a lovely bundle of purple. And as you're aware, I'm sure, Bullseye Glass's purple is super duper expensive. So this is a really affordable way to get kind of a mix that's already pre-patterned. If you're looking to do something, you know, where you're going to crush it up and mix it. And I will just run this through my frit piston. Oh, look at this piece. And it will make beautiful, beautiful hearts. IKEA Ziploc bag, or IKEA Zip Top bag, I should say. I love it. So that's all the confetti I got. And then I grabbed passion flower, the XL Marini that are mandalas. And look at these. Let's see, I've got water here. Look at the detail. They're beautiful. I can't wait to play with these. So I got a pack of the passion flowers. Let's see what else I got. I don't even remember. I got XL Curious Purple Hollows. Oh, these are so pretty. Why did I put the lid back on my water? But that's what they look like. I think they're really beautiful, and I can't wait to see how they fuse up as flowers and things. I love Tabitha's Curious Glass because it challenges you to do a few extra things with it sometimes. And to me, that's half the fun. Now, this is some of her designer black and gray leaves that she just debuted when she did the whole, like, 7-pack of leaves. Oh, wow. These are so cool. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? They are just stunning. I can't wait to play with those, especially with Halloween coming up. And with Halloween coming up, where are they? I grabbed some XL Curious Spiderweb hollows. Again, I thought I'd play with the hollows and see how they turned out. But as you can see, I've got spiderwebs, some with bigger spots for hollows than others. But they're really cool, and if I hold them up, maybe you can see through them. They're kind of hard to see otherwise. But they're really pretty, and I was thinking they'd be kind of fun also as flowers. In sort of a monochrome design. Because I have some black and French vanilla, I want to say, in charcoal stringer. That would look real cool. And then I have, speaking of leaves, that first set. I bought the purple ones because I'm a sucker for purple. I absolutely adore these. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I like them a lot. And the last one, but not the least, were some Sunset XL Marini roses. Because I've wanted to do kind of a rose garden theme. And I really love the color of these sunset roses, and they're huge. I mean, that's big. So I really can't wait to get started with those. And there's a bunch of them. That's only like, that's 2/3. I still got 1/3 of them left in the container. But I can't wait to play with them. So that's everything for my unboxing of Tabitha's, but I thought I would bring you guys along because I've been super excited to see this set of stuff for a couple of weeks now. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.